What is constitutional morality? Constitutional morality is the principle which says that we should be steadfastly adhered to the principles of the Constitution. Constitution of India should be interpreted in the light of its basic philosophy and morals. Not only that, but if there is a law that is contradictory, or if the public morality is contradictory to constitutional morals and values, constitutional morals and values should be given importance over law, or over what is written text of constitution, or over what is written text of law, or over the views of the common people. What does that mean? What I mean to say is that Constitution of India talks about the principle of equality. Constitution of India talks about the principle of fraternity and dignity of an individual. These are two basic values that we find in the preamble of the Indian Constitution, and we can say that this is a constitutional moral. Now, what the principle of constitutional morality says is that equality and dignity of an individual should be given importance over one, literal text of the law. जो लॉ में लिटरली लिखा है, अब वो लॉ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हो सकता है या स्टैट्यूटरी लॉ, this should always be given importance over this. And second, it should also be given importance over public morality. लोगों को क्या ठीक लगता है, इससे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अकॉर्डिंग क्या ठीक है, बेसिक वैल्यूज के अकॉर्डिंग. अब इन दोनों को मैं समझाता हूं विद द हेल्प ऑफ लिटरल एग्जांपल्स. Equality, dignity of an individual to be given importance over public morality.